Hello everybody, welcome back to Prani Gaming. And in this episode, yes, we are going to continue the classic deck challenge for the third time. It's going to be part 3. And in this episode, we expect a lot more that you can expect a lot more than you expected in the previous episode where we just got one reward. But in this episode, it's not going to be the same case. We are going to get way more rewards. We'll try for 4 actually. Maximum, I think we'll get to 4, but let's see. Okay, so yeah, the Eevees did a great job. Yes, I just want a Goblin Brawler to get a couple of shots on the Electro Wizard. He gets one, yes. Hit speed is a lot actually. He just so quickly he just punches his opponents. Okay, let's just ignore the bandit. I just, for the P.E.K.K.A.'s sake, I've ignored the bandit. But yeah, it was actually not the best defensive move, but not too bad as well. So yeah, let's go again. But he's wasted a lot of elixir, that's all I can say. But still he has enough elixir to go for the minions. But the Sparky, oh, the zap. Some card there to defend the Sparky, the Lightning or the Electro Wizard or the Zap or so many cards. Okay. Yes, come on. The Goblin Giant. I just wanted to get to the towers. Yes, that's all I want. It does quite a lot of damage, so yeah, that's good. What do we do now? Okay, let the P.E.K.K.A. go to the Goblin Brawler, or the bandit went towards it. Yes, too strong for the bandit. Now let's go for the lightning. That's the only option now. Not the best start actually we have got, but yeah, we can capitalize. I'm sure we can come back rather. Yes. Just protect the Sparky. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. But I just want to protect the Sparky, which I can't actually. He has got a crown tower also, so yeah, I think we can't win this. Oh no, no chance actually. Yeah, yes, the P.E.K.K.A. I knew it. Yes, that's why I think because of the P.E.K.K.A. I think we can't win this. Yeah. So that's a loss. But as I said, you are guaranteed way more action than the previous episode. Come on, let's go for another. Obviously. Oh, continue free, yes. Thanks to Pass Royale. We do this. How much ever times we lose, it's no problem actually. But it's just a waste of time. Okay. I think I played with this deck. I think in the previous video, I still remember we played with a similar deck. I think I don't know if you guys remember, but very similar deck. I think it's the same deck actually. I remember we had all these cards, but we lost that match. Even I remember that. Look at my observation here. I think around 6 games we have played here, or maybe a little bit less, not sure, but close to 6 or maybe 10, something like that. I think in 6 or 7 of those decks, I think we have got the lightning. I don't know why we are getting the lightning. Every deck I'm watching, even in the previous deck we got a lightning. I know that, not in every deck, but more than half of decks we are getting the lightning. And the Night Witch is doing such a great job along with the Lumberjack in the other crown tower. This is great. We have to win this. Come on. I know I'm not going ahead of the match, but still I feel this is the best chance to win. Come on, let's just drag the princess. I wanted the golem to go towards the left crown tower, but I wanted the goblin gang to follow the golem, and then when it explodes, It deals area damage, so the goblin gang would have been gone. But it didn't go to plan, but in the end we got a crown tower and that's all matters. Okay, so yeah, we have defended really well and we have got a crown tower early, so yeah. This deck is working today, but in the previous video, the last game we played in the previous video, I think, we couldn't win it. Now it's working for us, so yeah, that's good. Double elixir. Okay, I don't have no problem. I have no problem of giving my opponent one crown tower, but I don't want to give it intentionally. That's the only wish. Because look at this attack, I mean, whatever he does now is under pressure because this attack, the lumberjack along with the bats, now I'm ready to give it intentionally as well, a crown tower for him. I have no problem. But I'm not going to give it. I want him to fight for it. Oh, he gets it, no problem. Actually, we are going to win this. Golem is raised, but I think it's too tough to get the king tower. I mean, it's too tough. Yes, that's what I meant. That's what I wanted to do in the first move. When the golem explodes, the goblin gang would have been exploded as well. So it didn't work in the first attempt. But yeah, we won it. Easy win. Actually, it wasn't easy, but yeah. And now the lightning chest. I want probably not a legendary. We are not going to get a legendary, but okay, 2 epic wildcards. Thank you. I somehow want to get. We didn't get an epic 2, but let's try to get an elite barbarians out of it. Somehow, an elite barbarians. But even if we don't get e-barbs, at least something like an arrows or a Tesla. Please, I don't want these common cards. I don't use them. I'm ready to strike how many times, but we can strike only 6 times. So we are done with it. Didn't like the chest too much, but yeah, we have to accept it. Okay, so let's go to deck 1 where we have the elite barbarians. Can we get it to level 9 today? Let's try our best because we have the magical chest. If we get common wild cards out of it, around 70, something like that. And then the golden chest is coming up. So there are maybe 10-20 common wild cards. I think in this episode we may get the elite barbarians to level 9. But I'm ready to spend gold on it. It's just 4,000 gold, so not much. I'm not worried about the gold. I'm worried about can we upgrade it today in this episode. That's the thing. But I think we are not going to upgrade it in this episode because we aren't going to get that many wild cards, I think, because the magical chest opening it in this episode is a very low possibility. But let's see. Let's try our best. Okay, now the Royal Hawks, the king's pets, highly respected. Look at the job they are doing. Oh my god. Yes, they do a real good job. I wish I had them in my deck over here. Okay, Goblin Barrel or... yes, he's used the Barbarian Barrel, so he doesn't have anything to get the Goblin Barrel out. So, yep. Oh, he has the Snowball. Oh no, he has the Giant Snowball. No problem actually. Let's just try our best. This is a tough game. This is going to be really tough to win it. Oh my god, these king's pets again. Come on, I just want to get it this time. Yeah, this time we have defended it better. But the musketeer lost the game. I mean, lost the tower, sorry. I'm not going that to ahead again. Okay, so he gets the tower because of the musketeer and the king's pets, the Royal Hogs. Cannon exchange between the flying machine and the king tower. Cannon exchange. That's a good word to use actually. Good term. Cannon exchange is done. And now what do we do? So full of barbarians. 6 barbarians in total. I think 5 of them are the normal regular barbarians. And the other one is the barbarian, which is another regular barbarian but from a different place. Oh my god, the Royal Hogs again. How do we defend this? This is so tough. They have so much HP there. Their attack is quite good. Oh my god, how to defend this? Okay. The Ice Spirit. Come on, I just wanted to freeze a troop. Yes, it freezes the bandit. Oh, we can't win this. He has defended really well. I think his defense was more standout than his attacking. We can't do anything here. I don't know. I think this game was not a good one because we didn't have even decks. I didn't have a card which could, card which can ignore buildings here. I didn't have a card like that. But he had a Royal Hogs which ignores buildings. I think this match was not fair, but in the end we have lost it. We have to accept it. Let's go again then. The next reward is gold, I think. Yes, gold, and then comes the golden chest, I think. Okay, so full of goblins. That's why the deck is named as Mega Goblins along with the Mega Knight. So I think that's the formula of the deck. Okay, Dark Prince. I have no problem in defending that. And the P.E.K.K.A. But this time we have the Mega Knight to defend the P.E.K.K.A. So again, easy. Hopefully he doesn't have an Electro Wizard. I don't know. No, I think he doesn't have an Electro Wizard now. Maybe he doesn't like that combination of the P.E.K.K.A. and the Electro Wizard as much as I love. I'm a big fan of it, probably the hugest fan. I have never seen a better combination than that. He has the Electro Wizard actually, but he didn't use it along with the P.E.K.K.A. But we get a Crown Tower here because of the Skeleton Barrel. I love that card. I started using it in some spare decks, you know, before we, I think before the previous game we played. The deck was set in deck 3, I think, if you remember, and in that you saw a Skeleton Barrel. That's my 2v2 deck. I use it for 2v2s and it's actually helping. And now I have a fair bit of experience with using the Skeleton Barrel, so it's not a new card for me. Okay, I'm waiting for the P.E.K.K.A. Where is it? I think he has a different plan. Okay, now my aim is to, again, the Skeleton Barrel and the Miner. I'm telling you, it's like sort of like the P.E.K.K.A. and the Electro Wizard, but you have to send it differently. I mean, you have to plan differently to send it. That's the only difference. So why is he not going for the P.E.K.K.A.? Oh, he sends it too late actually. Maybe he didn't have enough elixir. Now, look at this. I love this. Princess going for the Miner, whereas the Skeleton Barrel marching on its way, falling down, dealing lots of damage. Yes, that is a perfect attack. Yes, once more, can we do that? No, we can't, it's too tough. Or maybe we can actually, let's try our best. Let's freeze up the princess now. Yes, can we get another Crown Tower? Of course, because he's used the poison on some other card. One skeleton dealt 35 damage on that occasion, 35 HP. I'm ready to give him Crown Towers, I have no problem, it's free on offer. But I want to win the game, that's it. And I win it, thank you very much. One more victory and gold. We need gold. As I said in the earlier episode, we need gold because my plan has gone a long way front. There is not much time for the season to end, and when it ends, I want to have 100,000 gold somehow, with the help of clan wars, with the help of challenges, all those stuff from the shop, free gold. I want to get gold from there, and somehow I want to have around 100,000 gold. And when the next season starts, then yes, when we get the pass royale and collect all the rewards, it's going to be a mega opening and a mega upgrading video. But that's going to take much time. That's going to take quite a while. But yeah, it is good. And the main source, sorry, I forgot to tell this, the main source which will help us get to 100,000 gold. Look at the Goblin Brawler. What a great job it did. So much damage it did actually, along with the Mega Minion. As yes, let's just go for a lightning. I want to attack the King Tower too, but Not enough HP. Okay, let's go for a giant snowball. I want to see. Can it get 75 HP? I just want to see. Here we go. Come on, get 75. Oh my god. Attack is so less the damage. So the main source of gold is the bonus bank. I forgot to tell it. It has been quite a long time since we bought the Pass Royal this season, so totally forgot it. And that's the main source. That's the main source which can get us to 100,000 gold before the next season. Okay, here we go. The big goblin giant. And the Dark Prince at the other lane. We have to win this, come on. He's not even, he's ignoring. I mean, we have to get 3 crowns here. Not only win it. Because when you have a chance to get 3 crowns, you should never miss. And I have not missed it. There you go. Easy win. Finally, the giant snowball at least gets 10 HP. Finally. Okay then. Now, the golden chest. Come on, wild cards. Yes, only 8. I like the silver chest more. Just for a simple reason that the silver chest has more common wild cards than these big chests. Oh my god. Not more than any other chest, but more than the golden chest. So we couldn't get the elite barbarians to level 9 actually. I thought we are going to get it to level 9, but yeah, definitely in the next episode, if we get sufficient amount of common wild cards from the magical chest, which we are going to open in the next episode, and probably a legendary. Let's hope for the best. I'll come back in that episode and finish this challenge. And that's it for this episode, guys. We are finishing with 6 wins in this episode. And subscribe to our channel. Please like this video if you liked it. And I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, goodbye.